Alright, gentlemen, have a look. XY500. It's a GT lookalike. It's a GT lookalike. It certainly does look the part. It sounds the part. The trim is good. Have a good look. It sounds fantastic. 4 on the floor. 71 model. Now, gentlemen, this vehicle is a strict COD. It has a buyer's premium on it. I don't know where you're going to find another one at the moment. This is a very, very rare motor car. There's been a lot of interest in it. There's been a lot of interest. Come forward if you want to have a look, because I don't know when you'll see another one. Absolutely gorgeous motor car, gentlemen. I do have an opening offer. I do have an opening offer on the vehicle of $29,000. And I'll go from there. $29,000 is the opening offer. At 29.2 is on the neck. 4 is out the back. 29.4, 6, 8, 29.8, 30 grand I've got. Slow down, Mr. Gamer. 30.2 on the neck. I've got it on the neck. 4. 30.4 with Gavin. 30,004. Bids with Gav. It looks very cheap. 6 is on the neck. 38 with Gav. 30,008. The bids with Gav. 30,008, where is the next one? 31.2 in front. 31.2, I took it down here. 31.4. 31.4. Bid with Gav. 31.6 out the back. 31.6, the bid is out the back. 8 with Gav. 2 on the neck. You're only 100 Gav. 32.2. 32.2, the bid with Gav. 32.2. 32.2, where are you? Another one. 4 on the neck. 6 is on the phone. You want to play it, mate? 32.8, 33 on the neck, 33.2, 4 with the glasses, 34.4 out the back, at 34,004, at 33.46, 33.6, at 33.6 with Gavin, 8 on the neck, 33.8, 4 out the back, 34,000, the billy's out the back, at $34,000, is that it? 2 on the neck, 4 is you, 34.6 on the neck. 34.6, the billy's on the neck. Absolutely gorgeous. 34.6, I've got on the neck. 8, 5 on the neck. 35,000 on the neck. At $35,000 now, the billy's on the neck. At 35,002. At 35.2. At 35,002, it's still on street. At 35.4 on the neck. 35.4. At 35.6 with Gav. 8, 35.8 with the big fella. 35.8, 6 on the net, 36,000, back on the 2, 36.2, 36.2, 36.2 is there, at 36.4, 36.4, at 36.4 is there, 36.6 with the young lady, 36.6, 36.6 I took up with the lady, at 36.8, at 36.8, at 37,000, 37 now, 2. 37.2, 37.2, are you in or out? Is that it? 4, 37.4, 37.4, are you in or out? Once, twice, 37 and 4, is that it? Final bid, 37 and 4. We got it, 37.4. And thank you to the members, congratulations. Toyota 86 GT.